This is an emergency alert message issued by the Kansas Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Multiple sirens, mainly tornado sirens, have suddenly activated in unison, and are currently blaring loud and deafening sounds. The affected regions of Kansas are southwest Kansas, southeast Kansas, north-central Kansas, and south-central Kansas. If you are in any of these regions, immediately cover your ears to protect your eardrums. Noise-canceling headphones work best. If you don't have access to headphones, or any other noise-canceling device, immediately go to a reinforced room that blocks sound, or go underground. Cover your ears. Bring essential supplies with you, if you can, including water, food, a battery-powered radio, and other essential supplies. This is because we do not know how long the sirens will go on for. The authorities and the United States government is working closely to figure out the cause of this and stop the sounds. Technicians with noise-canceling headphones are en route, or are already there, to the sirens to deactivate them, though we do not know how successful this will be. Please stay tuned for updates on the situation. Thank you for your cooperation and understanding.
This is an emergency alert issued for the state of Texas, issued by the Texas Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert as a dangerous event is currently taking place. Multiple sirens, specifically tornado sirens, have suddenly activated at the same time. This is taking place across the state. These sirens are emitting loud noises and sounds, which can make a person who is not protecting their ears, or is nearby, deaf. This is an emergency situation, and you must act. Immediately cover your ears, and swiftly evacuate the area. If you're physically unable to evacuate, move to a part of the house that blocks sound from outside. If you're outside or in your car, do not panic. Immediately cover your ears and get down. The Texas Emergency Management Agency is currently trying to deactivate the sirens, but we need your help. If safe to do so, call local authorities and report the nearest siren that is going off. This will help us deactivate them. Thank you for your cooperation and understanding. Please tune into your local news station for further information.
Breaking news. In Oklahoma, massive protests are breaking out across the state due to the recent tensions regarding the New Jersey Civil War. There are thousands of people in the streets blocking traffic and also my ears! Oh my God! I can't hear anything! Oh my God! Oh my God! End the broadcast! End the broadcast!
This is an emergency alert issued by the United States government. The President will speak shortly.
Hello, my fellow Americans. A great crisis has enveloped our nation. Multiple sirens access multiple states have suddenly activated and are emitting dangerously loud sounds. This is causing great harm to our people. One of the sirens activated during a protest, with thousands of people in the streets, their ears unprotected. What happened next is something I can't describe with words. This is a horrible situation, and we must act now. If you live within proximity to a siren, whether that be a tornado siren or any other siren in general, immediately buy or grab noise-canceling headphones. Shelter in place and be prepared for an activation. Before sheltering in place, check on your neighbors, friends, and family and make sure they are okay and can get the equipment they need and shelter in place. Rest assured, we are doing everything we can to solve this crisis.